Welcome to Health Talk. Today we're diving beyond the kitchen to explore 3 unexpected and powerful ways to use cloves and sea moss that go far beyond just cooking. First up, did you know cloves can help relieve pain? You can make your own clove-infused oil at home. Just soak whole cloves in a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil for 1 to 2 weeks. This DIY remedy is amazing for soothing toothaches, muscle soreness, and even tension headaches. Next, sea moss isn't just for smoothies. It's a skin-loving miracle. Apply sea moss gel directly as a face mask. It hydrates, reduces inflammation, and leaves your skin glowing. Last but not least, freshen your space with a homemade clove air freshener. Mix dried cloves with cinnamon sticks, orange peel, and a few drops of essential oil. Put it in a jar or simmer on the stove for a natural, non-toxic scent. Bonus tip: add a spoonful of sea moss gel to your soup or tea for a hidden health boost. Your body will thank you. Did you enjoy today's health tips? Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more health insights. Comment below with your thoughts, questions, or health tips. Share this video with friends who could benefit from a healthier lifestyle.